And learners, Connor Doobie here. Hope you're having a great day. Hey, just wrapped up a Facebook Live. So much content pouring out of my face hole right now. I had to bring something else up because, something really struck me the other day when I went to a local AAISP meeting here in Denver. It's a sales group, and there's actually a panel of sales leaders speaking. And one topic that came up, which was just like really fascinating to me, obviously, kind of biased, but was the topic of social selling. And almost in unison, all of these sales leaders, these guys are running, multi-8-figure sales departments, almost all in unison, basically said that social selling is overhyped, which I gotta say, I agree, by the way. And something that was also interesting is all of them felt a little bit iffy about it. You can tell nobody was really confident in leveraging LinkedIn for social selling. It's more of a place that people are going to validate you, check you out as you're in the sales process, and that's it. But here's the thing. Here's what's important and what's forgotten a lot. The other thing that was shared quite a bit in unison was their emphasis on using email and cold calling to break through to different influencers in the organization. If you're having a tough time trying to get to the decision makers, then the influencers are the ones to go to, right? Find the person, make a friend at the front desk, build the relationship in the right way and work your way up from there. So I'm here to say, if that's the case, guys, why do we have to say, cold calling is not dead, email marketing is not dead, conferences, trade shows, I've been raving about these things. These methods, these channels are still very useful and very successful. But what you're forgetting is if I can start that discussion, if I can start that relationship on the phone with a cold call or on an email, why would I not be able to start that discussion directly through LinkedIn? Why would me sending video emails or leaving voice mails for prospects, why would that not also be applicable for LinkedIn? So I am here to press on you sales leaders out there that, I agree with you. Social selling is overused. It's a buzz term. But if used the right way, in the right manner, in cyclical manner to all of your other prospecting activities, it is so powerful, especially when you're using video in the inbox, especially when you're using audio messages in the inbox. So with that, folks, if you want to start the discussion on this, I'd be happy to go have the conversation with you and with your sales leaders, if you want to tag them on this video, about why social selling is overhyped, but why it's monstrously important to be leveraging in your other sales touch points to reach enough of the right people, influencers and direct buyers, and also consistently stay in front of them. So make sure you share this, make sure you comment below, drop any questions, and with that, folks, I'll see you on the other side.